Imagine you're trying to listen to your favorite song, but there's a lot of noise in the background. Cars honking, dogs barking, and your baby brother crying. Ugh, what if I told you there's a magical way to clean up all that noise and hear just the music clearly? Welcome to the world of signal processing, the brain behind clean music, clear videos, and smart sensors. Definition time. Signal processing is the science of analyzing, changing, and improving signals like sound, images, or data from sensors. Famous quote by Alan V. Oppenheim: "Signal processing is the universal language of technology." Let's start with audio. When you record your voice or a song, it doesn't always sound clean. That's where signal processing comes in. It removes the noise, boosts the voice, and adds effects like echo or bass. Example: when singers record in a studio, engineers use signal processing to make their voice sound amazing on your headphones. Now let's talk about images. When you click a photo on your phone, the camera uses image processing to adjust brightness, sharpen blurry parts, remove red eyes, even your phone's beauty filter or face detection. Yep, that's signal processing in action. What about sensor data? Sensors are like tiny noses, ears, or eyes for machines. For example, a weather station uses sensors to feel temperature, wind, or rain. A smartwatch uses sensors to check your heartbeat. A car's parking sensor beeps when you're close to an object. But sensors sometimes make mistakes or get random noise. Signal processing helps clean and organize that messy data. Why is this important? Without signal processing, your voice assistant like Alexa or Siri wouldn't understand you. Your phone's camera would take dull photos. Doctors couldn't see clean X-ray or ECG signals. It helps machines hear, see, feel, and even think clearly. It's like teaching robots how to make sense of the world. So the next time you say, "Hey Siri," or use a camera filter, remember the hidden hero, signal processing. If you want to learn more about the tech that powers music, photos, smartwatches, and even satellites, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell for future tech explained videos.